Okay, good day everyone. For today's update, I work on with the installer or the EXE file for the smart surveillance. However, it's not yet fully completed since I still need to do some enhancement, but it's doable enough now to have an EXE and run it on another machine or application. So this is the example of how it is built. I'm using PyInstaller and I'm building it using a .spec or the specification of the app. There's still few items that I need to work on and play around with the functionalities or settings of the spec sheet like this one. And for the update, I added for example, a resource path here and updated most of the env file and refactored the existing code to use the resource path in order for it to view the specific OSD path dir name, for example, and specific file and display it on the main.py. So for example, this grok API key, it's not being able to identify directly where is the env located. So by using the resource underscore path function, we can able to identify where is the .env saved when we install the application or when we launch the .exe. So after running the PyInstaller, you can see that we created a smart surveillance app.exe here. That one is inside the dist folder, for example this one. And if I try to run this, it will going to compile and build itself on the first run. This is an example. I just finished the compilation a while ago, 20:38 p.m. Then after compilation, it will going to show the existing UI that we have, but it still have some issue. So I'm still going to work with the issue with the installer since some of the items are still not being able to identified, like that one. It's not compiled properly, and only the YOLO E11S segmentation is inside this folder instead of the other function. So what I plan to do is to continue working on with the finalization of the installer, as well as to update the readme as well for the other developers or for a installation using the script instead of the installer. I think this is all for my end. I will be continue working with this enhancement and other functionality for SSS. Thank you.